This is Mrs. Smita Kshatriya. Today we are going to understand, or we are going to see question number 6 of your SSC question paper. Question number 6 is divided into two parts, 6A and 6B. 6A question is about graph drawing and then reading the graph. It has two activities. With the help of the given statistical data, prepare a graph and answer the question. So you have the data, you have to draw a graph. Then you are given 3 questions. You have to observe the graph and then you have to answer these 3 questions. So 3 marks for drawing, 3 marks for answering the questions. This is how it is 6 marks. Okay? And your question number 6B. Let us observe question number 6B. Observe the following graph and answer the questions given below. This is your graph. You have 6 questions. What you have to do is you have to observe the graph and answer all the 6 questions. You will have 1 mark for 1 question. This is how you will have 6 marks. If you answer 6 questions correctly, you will get all the 6 marks. Today, we are going to understand question number 6B, that is your graph reading. So children, I have selected this graph for graph reading. This is your March 2019 SSC paper. Let us start understanding the graph first. What is the graph about? The graph is about structure of sex ratio. Then you can see your x-axis. In the horizontal line is x-axis. Your vertical line is your y-axis. Again your x-axis and your y-axis. This is the sex ratio of Brazil and this is the sex ratio of India. You can see single line graph here. The graph is drawn in lines. In your x-axis, you will see years are written from 1961 to 2011. And your y-axis, you will see it is sex ratio is written 900, 920, 940, 960, taking here an interval of 20 units. Okay? Now, first of all, we should understand how is sex ratio calculated. Looking at this diagram, you will ask teacher whether this 940 or 980 is female or male. So looking at the graph, you must know children that the sex ratio is calculated as number of female per 1000 male. So here if you see India is in 1961, you have 940 females per 1000 male. Therefore, this is a line graph for females. And it is understood that it is per 1000 males. I hope you have understood this graph. Now, let us start answering the questions. Let us take the first question. What do the above graph show? What is the graph about? The graph is about structure of sex ratio of Brazil and India. Here you are going to write again answer in complete sentence and you are going to underline structure of sex ratio of Brazil and India. Moving to the next question. Which country has highest male population? Now here you see India is not going above 1000 anyway. It is always below 1000. The female population is below 1000. This means male are more here. Here females are always above 1000. This means male population is less here. So which country has highest male population? Yes, obviously India has highest male population. You will write the answer in complete sentence and you are going to underline India. Underlining, children, is going to be a paper presentation part. Okay? Question number 3. Which country has highest female population? Now, when we have done the question number 2, we know the answer that highest female population is in Brazil because it is always above 1,000. So the answer is Brazil has the highest female population, and you are going to underline Brazil. Going to question number 4. Which country has rapid increase in female population after 2001? Let us come and see here. This is 2001. Yes, there is an increase. Can you see this increase? In 2001. But come here. Let us go to Brazil. You see from here, it is directly rising. So which rises more? Both are rising, but more rises in Brazil. So rapid rises in Brazil. Which country has rapid increase in female population after 2001? Brazil has a rapid increase in female population after 2001. And you are going to underline Brazil. Question number 5. What was the female population in India in 1961? 1961, India's population is 940 per 1,000 male. So the answer is the female population in India in 1961 was 940 per 1,000 male, and you are going to underline 940 per 1,000 male. Going to the last question. Which country has more than 1,000 female population? We all know the country which has more than 1,000 female population is Brazil. Therefore, the answer is Brazil, because Brazil is always having population which is above 1,000. So the answer is Brazil has more than 1,000 female population, and underline Brazil. So children, here we have completed answering all the 6 questions, 1 mark for each, and all 6 questions will give you 6 marks. Graph is a very important topic, children. May it be question number 1A or B. You have to either answer question number 1A or question number 1B. Sorry, question number 6A or question number 6B. Therefore, graph is an important topic. I hope you have all understood graph reading. Thank you.